United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 200, Studies, research programs and exchange of information and data. States shall cooperate, directly or through competent international organizations, for the purpose of promoting studies, undertaking programs of scientific research, and encouraging the exchange of information and data acquired about pollution of the marine environment. They shall endeavour to participate actively in regional and global programs to acquire knowledge for the assessment of the nature and extent of pollution, exposure to it, and its pathways, risks and remedies.